Good day everyone! Welcome back to my science experiment. Our topic for today's experiment is separating mixtures. These are the materials needed for our first experiment. 1 cup of water, half cup of sand, cheesecloth, 2 containers. What I'm going to do is I will mix the water and sand in this container. Then I will pass the mixture through this cheesecloth and to this container. From what I observed, the sand got separated from the water, and the technique used in this experiment is filtration, because it has shown that the solid material, which is the sand, was separated from the liquid substance through the cheesecloth. The materials needed in our second experiment are wooden table and a cloth that I'm gonna wet later. First is I'm gonna scrub the table with this wet cloth. I will come back to this table after 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, the table now is a little bit dry. As I applied heat earlier, when I scrubbed the table, I observed that the wooden table absorbed the water from the wet cloth. The technique used in this experiment is evaporation. The materials needed for our third experiment are 3 tablespoons of rice grain, 4 tablespoons of flour, plate, and the sifter. First, I will mix these rice grains and this flour in this plate. Next is I will sift these mixtures in this bowl. As I sift the mixture of rice grains and flour, I have observed that the big components, which is the rice grain, was separated to the fine components, which is the flour. The technique used in this experiment is obviously sifting or sieving. The materials needed in our fourth experiment are 1 cup of sand, water, and container. I will mix this sand in the water. I will pour the water from this bowl to this container. Materials needed in our last experiment are nails, coins, small rocks, and magnet. The first thing that I'm going to do is I will mix the nails, coins, and rocks. Then I will use this magnet to separate these mixtures. I observed that the metals, which is nails and coins, stick to the magnet, and the non-metal, which is the rocks, did not stick to the magnet. The technique used in this mixture is use of magnet. So that's end for today's experiment. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye-bye.